Alright, O-clip new flashlight. This is a versatile clip, one light with multiple fixing methods. Very cool. High is 300 180 lumen, medium 100 lumen 90-minute runtime, low 10 lumens 12 hours, and moonlight looks like 1.5 lumen and 30 hours. Ooh, red light is 41 lumen, 5 hours, great for hunting. Animals cannot see the light, or like looking for crabs and so on. Max store 70 meter, max candle, whatever, all this other stuff, diameters and so on. Okay, let's see what's in here. Wow! You know what? The picture is a lot bigger than the actual flashlight. That is so cool. Comes with a USB-C charger, instructional. That is so awesome. This is a perfect little pocket flashlight. I love it. So there's a clip, clips onto like maybe a backpack strap, anywhere, honestly. So there's a charger, USB-C, beautiful. Okay, press on, and there's a little dot. Press and hold. Double click and we have the red flashing. I guess the red is just like maybe put it on the back of a backpack and hiking by side of the road so people can see you at nighttime. Cool. Back to a light. Wow, very versatile. I love the clip, non-slip right here, rubber both sides. Very simple but very awesome flashlight. I love it. Never seen anything like that, that's for sure. A clip flashlight. You know what? On top of it, it's magnetic. So awesome. And there's a lanyard hold as well. Next, I got right here something off of eBay. Very unique, probably sold out, but sometimes they pop up on the internet, on eBay. Don't remember the name of it, I'll look it up here in a minute. So this is magnetic screwdriver. There's a magnet, so perfect for keychain, maybe hang it onto a backpack. Pull it out, it's really strong, so it will sit in there really nice. Wow, replaceable bits, comfortable like a little finger screwdriver. Wow, that's a tight pull. So like again, perfect to hang it maybe on a zipper of a backpack, so I have always a little screwdriver next to me. So it's made by a Vital Carry, Spiffy or Spaffy Labs EDC key bead, hex bead tool copper. So it's made out of full copper with a magnet. I love that one of a kind, and it's hard to find them because they only make so many of them and they sell out quickly. Little EDC beads like that especially. Next I got right here a little tiny EDC bottle opener bead for like a knife or maybe like a zipper also, but a lot of times people hang them on the back of a knife with a little braid of a lanyard, and so there's a tiny little bottle opener with the help of a like braided lanyard, easy to use to open it. And this is KOCH tools, Coach tools, titanium brew bead, that's the name for it, and there's the logo for it. Oh, there you go. This is so cool, very lightweight, anodized blue. Love it. So anytime I need bottle opener, I got one. Put on a zipper, back of a knife, perfect. That way I'm not scratching up a knife if I need to open like a bottle or anything. All I have to do is use the bottle opener instead. This right here, the best battery charger. AA, AAA, CD, a 9 volt, CR 123A, and 2CR5, a whole bunch of different batteries. Let's test them out, see what it looks like. It's not just give you like a little plus and minus thing. It's actually really cool. I figured I need one. Okay, so might need battery for this Okay, there is different battery tester set here as well. Okay, so it takes 1 AAA batteries, and it says poor, weak, good. That's nice. Weak, we can still use it. Poor, it's done, unless something powerful like remote control cars on the weak, they probably won't work that well. I plugged in the batteries, and you know what, I actually went into my dead batteries pile and I started testing them, and this one is weak, but it still works, so I could still use it. And this one was in a recycle bin as well, ready to be recycled. This one is weak, and then this one, AAA batteries, totally weak. There you go, it just doesn't even show. Oh wow, no way, this is full. This battery was in a recycle bin, ready to be recycled. Because I thought it was not working. This is good too. And another one right here also was in the recycle bin. I thought it was not working. Wow. But I love how easy it is. I grab one of these batteries and test them. Let me go find the one that is not working anymore. See how well it does. Cannot believe how many batteries I'm about to waste. Okay, pulled out more batteries from a recycle bin that I have. I don't throw away batteries in the trash. Let's see. AAA. This probably not going to work. That one is beat up, so it doesn't even show, obviously. Okay, next. Okay, this one is still good. Wow, it's already paying for it, because a lot of times I assume that's a bad batteries, all of them, but one battery could be good and one of them bad, and so I put both of them in the recycle bin. So by saving these batteries right here, by testing them and saving it, I already paid off this little tool, because I can test them each one individually on the exact amount. Okay, this one doesn't even go. Let's try a different one. Okay, this one is still good. Wow, I'm surprised. This one is weak, so this one probably wouldn't be so good to keep. Well, let's try this one again. This one doesn't even go as well. And sometimes I have one bad one, one good one, and I assume they both bad. It's a good idea to test them. This one is still good. Wow, that's a good tool to have, that's for sure. So now I will not waste batteries anymore. If I plug in by mistake one bad or like a weak battery and one good one, when the remote control runs out, usually one battery runs out and the other one's still good, and we assume that is like both of them are not good anymore, so I'm wasting a full battery. So it actually saves a lot of money to have one of these. Amazing. Oh, it comes with the battery too. Let's test it, how good it is. Yes, it's all the way good. When it's brand new, it's to the top. Amazing. Another all-light Sika 4 Mini. There's a Mini right here. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I'll slide it out. Ready me, so they want us to charge it first. So it comes with one of those battery chargers, like one of this, and the lanyard. Oh wow, that's really thick. There's a double clip. Put it to the head like a cap and have it. It's nice. Charger. Okay, usually has little protection. Okay, has one of these batteries. Powerful. Ooh, so there's a double light right here. First of all, does it spin? Nope. All I have to do push and hold. This is 1200 lumen, 600 lumen high. We got throw 85 meters and 50 to 25 minute runtime. Medium 120 lumens 5 hours, low 15 lumens 33 hours, and Moonlight 2 21 lumens 12 days runtime. Wow. Okay, double click. Looks like a black light. Very cool. This is what the black light looks like. All these like white pipes and stuff will illuminate more. Wow, it's kind of cool. And it's very bright. I love that, like a really bright white circle, and it will be bright far away. Very nice flashlight, and it's mini. It's perfect. That indicates how to turn it off. Also, because it's magnetic right here, easy to set it up this way too. Very cool.